Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're out on the driveway, Ford Explorer. You can see the tape here. I bet if you're an Explorer owner, you know what's going on. So here's what we're going to do today. Flip up that wiper. I'm going to pull this tape off. I put this tape on in emergency when it's cold out because we started having trouble. And you can see some of this tape is unfortunately sticking to the plastic. But we'll worry about getting that off in a minute. So of course, you don't want to leave this on as long as I did, but you see the problem we've got? Look at this. This is all coming off here. And you can see how this is peeling loose, and this is not a good thing. You can see this is here. This is all loose. All right, the trim's coming off. I don't know if you can see this, but the trim is coming off. Let's show you up close. So here you can see the trim is coming off, and you can see behind there a little bit. The clips are breaking, and you can see the rubber here where it's loose, where it was glued on. So we're going to come in and we're going to clean all this, and you can feel where that rubber is. And we're going to put some two-sided tape. So let's show you what we got. Got a little bit of 3M two-sided tape on this blue tape here that I brought out. So we'll get started. We got some nail polish remover, scissors to cut the tape, and some paper towel to wipe in here. So we're going to start by cleaning this up. So here you can see the problem. This trim is coming off. Now if you lose these, they're real expensive. And you can see how it's broke loose here. So we're going to attempt to put tape from up here down to here, two-sided, and then we're going to attempt to push this back into place and click that in there and push that back down like that. And maybe we're going to have to tape it back, maybe not. We're going to try not to. And we're going to try to clean all this off eventually. So let's pop this out and clean this up in here. We're going to clean both the inside and the outside. Let's start by getting a little of this out. We put a lot of nail polish remover on here because what we want to do is come in here. We want to clean this up as far as we can, push this down. We want to clean in here. Try not to break any more loose as we do this. And you can see in there, you can see this dries very rapidly. And we can use it to clean off our glue off our window. And we can use it to clean the glue off of here some too. You have to peel some of this though. We can work on the rest of this after we get the tape in here. So you want to cork this back up so you don't spill it, lose it. You want to look in and make sure you got your, you pop this kind of out of the groove here. You can see where that is, see how that is, where the glue would be and where it would go. And what we're going to do is we can take our tape, and pull a piece off, about as long as what we can put in there. Take our scissors, cut this. And then what we're going to do is attempt to slide this in here, just like this. It does seem to stick down pretty good. Now the hard part is getting this started, so you can pull up a little corner here. Once you get that, you can pull the tape off in there. Now, make sure you're down in the bottom here and you're lined up. You can push this thing on. While we hold it there, we'll kind of come in and get this other glue off of here maybe, huh? Well, it does want to stay on there pretty good. It's a little bit not sticky right down here. So we're looking in there to see what we could do to catch it more. Definitely in there good. Probably gonna have to tape it again, but we're gonna clean this glue off of here before it stays on there too long. Yeah, we got that down there pretty good. Rub this down really good and tight. We can help hold this down a little bit by putting something right here. What we're going to do, see if we got something we can just kind of stick right in here to hold this down temporarily. So we're going to go get something for that. We'll be right back. So to hold this corner down, we cut a small piece of cardboard. I'm going to tuck that in the body here, just like this. And then we're going to put some tape across it to hold it in place so it doesn't come up out of there. That's holding that loose corner down. This is down pretty good, so I don't think we need much tape here. We can put a piece or two just to hold it down. We'll let this sit overnight. So there you go. Don't forget, subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Easy how-to. These parts are like 100, 150 bucks if you lose them on the road. Mine's glued down now. Leave the tape overnight. It is very cold out here. It's about 40 degrees out, so I let it sit overnight. We parked it in the sun. I can feel the warmth. It'll help that 3M tape grab it. We're all set. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Use the links below to shop and help support the channel. We appreciate it. Thank you.